What up with it, y'all? We back with another one. The weather's starting to pick up a little bit. We got rid of all this stupid snow, and it's looking like 50s and 60s coming in these next couple weeks. So y'all gonna have to stay tuned. It's finna get real. Got a lot of work to do. Got some audio stuff I need to install up on this thing. It ain't running bad. I'm tweaked with the tune a little bit the last couple days in the cold and got it to run like it needs to. It ain't doing none of that backfiring. Pow, 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 pow. Ain't doing that none of that no more. But check it out. I drove the car to work today. It's dirty. I shouldn't even have let it get this bad, so don't turn me up in the comments. But we're gonna get her cleaned up today. She dusty. Get the chrome all cleaned up and get the carpets and stuff vacuumed out, so that way it'll be all nice and ready for us to do some work on it. Like I said, I want to get the audio system finished out. I want to swap my stocks on here. I need to get me 2 tires. I'm still on the search for 2 stock 14s. 14-inch tires ain't very easy to come by now, and people think they is, but not a lot of cars got little 14s on them no more. So got to give me 2 tires. And then we're gonna get started on this Trackhawk build. I gotta get the whole front end ripped off of it, so that way we can get down to the motor. And I gotta get the camshaft and the lifters pulled up out of it and do a rebuild on it, because it's got a flat lobe. That's why I bought the car. I got it for an amazing deal. We're gonna rebuild it up, put that wide body kit on there, get us a SRT blower on there, maybe a red eye. I don't know. We'll see. We'll figure it out. But hey, we're gonna see if this thing will bust off. Alright, I'll say that. I already know it's gonna bust off. I'm tripping. I just got it right. I wouldn't have drove it to work. But I'm gonna start it up for y'all. Let y'all listen to it for a second.
Whoop, whoop. That's the sound of the police.
Y'all listen to her.
Sound good now.
Hey, don't pick on me too much now, because like I said, she dirty. She been sitting in the snow, and I've been playing in the snow a little bit. But it's all right. We brought her here. We're gonna get her cleaned up, nice and shiny. I promise you, by the end of the day, she gonna look purty, because when we slow, I get a little bit of free time up there, man. Look how dusty my car is. Oh my goodness. She sound a whole lot better, don't she? Hey, y'all let me know in the comments if y'all can figure out what the deal was and why it was popping and banging in the cold. And then maybe to the most highest like comment that responded to what they thought was wrong with it, we might give a reward or something, throw free stickers, some merch, or we'll figure something out for y'all. Sound good, don't it? He don't want none of this. He couldn't keep up with that Tahoe if he wanted to. yeah, man. She running good, so y'all stay tuned. Cause at the end of the day, I'm gonna get it all cleaned off. On the way home, we're gonna have a little bit of fun. I got a new song I made. The beat is fire. Hey, y'all, if this video gets 10,000 views, I know it's a long goal, but 10,000 views on this video, and I'll drop the song in this video. I'll write some bars to it and everything. I might even get somebody to get on it. Hey, y'all stay tuned. We're gonna get this work day banged out real quick, and then we're gonna have some fun on the way home. Woo-wee. Hey, got the homie in the cut. Y'all gotta check him out. Ah, yeah. And it's got that cream gold two-tone to it. Hey, this is one of my best friends. He come up here every other day. What's the business? Tell him what to do.
Hey, subscribe to Oklahoma Smoke.
You already know we got the best content coming out, man. Check this ride out, boy. Woo-wee. Shy. Hey, y'all heard him? All right. It's been a hell of a day, y'all. Time to clock out. I'm about to be gone.
Hey, finally, huh? Finally, no more cars.
Tell them who they need to subscribe to.
You need to subscribe to Open Car Wash. That's what you need to subscribe to.
Oklahoma most hated punk. Yeah. He said, get you a good car wash. Come and check us out in Oklahoma, man.
Get you a good car wash in Open.
Yeah. Anyway, like I was saying, y'all, we got this good long day checked out. Finna go home, get some good dinner. But y'all stay tuned. We finna, when we pull out of here, I'm gonna throw in one of these new beats. I'm gonna see if y'all like it. Y'all stay tapped in.
Finally, huh?
Hey, I tell you what, don't pick on me because my job now. Because, got a whole lot of trades up under this belt, okay? Got my CDL, for to get that semi truck to be pulling these rigs. Got all kind of automotive experience. Diesel truck, building houses, post frame buildings. I mean, I've been doing it all, but right now, this, I get hourly and I get commission. And I done had about a couple years of door-to-door experience, so if you know anything about that, I'll show you how to make some good money. Don't pick on me. Hey, look, check me out, man. I'm telling you, I'll be up here slanging loads and getting bows, trying to make that dough. I ain't playing with y'all. Oh, y'all see me right there. Oscar, 13, 10, 13. Still tomorrow and the next day. But I'll be banging them out. Quit playing with me. Playing with me, man. Hey, I'm finna go throw this beat on. Y'all ready to go home? We in the whip. Let me, finna pull over here to the car wash real quick, and we're gonna jump in this bay. Give us a quick car wash and rinse it down, cause she dirty. She dirty, dirty, dirty. I'm sorry, y'all. I didn't mean to get like this. Now, hold on. Don't be picking on me. I can't talk. Don't be picking on me in the comments, cause this just the primer. It's still got a long way before we get to the paint. Y'all look at this. Spray me down, Jit. Get me right. Y'all see my oil price gauge. I'm telling y'all, that's some Amazon, eBay BS. Be careful where you order your parts from, because sometimes they ain't always accurate. I promise you that gauge is not right. On me. Man. What you want?
Sir, we can't run this car.
Oh, you can't?
Nah.
Why not?
Because we don't like it.
Because you don't like it?
Yeah.
I don't like you.
Something. I don't know. I think the tires might be too big.
You hear that? They said my tires is too big. What we gonna do about that, y'all? I don't know what to tell them. Appreciate it. Get it nice and clean, y'all. My baby dirty. She just dusty. Oh my goodness. Can't believe I let it get like this. Man, come on. Matter of fact, we're gonna put on this beat that I played for y'all. I made for y'all is what I should say. Hold on one second. Yeah. It's my most recent. Y'all let me know in the comments if I should make something to it. Uh-oh. Damn. We got water. ain't even turned up that much. Let's get a little bit more bass in the function. Oh dang, I might have to get my window resealed. I got some water leaking out my windshield. What we gonna do about that, y'all? Hold on, that's the mid. Then that bass come in. I was gonna put my camera on the mountain, but I changed my mind. And I be whipping, I'm flipping through them trenches in my Cutlass with no tennis, so you can see me when I be dipping. And I'm smoking on the flippers, trying to get a pension. Nigga, tell man to split the flipper, get the ripping. 32 when I be spitting, it's got a temping when I'm hitting, got the clock, got the drums, got extension missing. Oh no, I'm just mumbling that moment. Y'all see how this rapping go? I ain't even trying to rap for real, but I like this beat though. Feel like water all in here. Oh, dang. It's okay. My baby gonna be clean. I ain't worried about a couple drips inside her. Just need to get that window resealed. That's it. Yo. 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 Trying to get the money, boy. I ain't no dummy. Run up on me tripping. Bet you get your 100 popping out this truck. Got the scraper, got the digger, got the Scotties too. This way I ain't even got moving out the tube. Can't rap, y'all. Don't pick on me. Alright, time to go home. Kick them fans on, they get a little warm. Yo, let's see how she did. Oh yeah, she clean now. Let's do it. Yo. Alright, let's go home and get some grub, y'all. Boy, just traffic just be terrible coming out of this car wash. But it's okay though, because I got something that can get through. Y'all ready for this? Hungry, y'all. I'm trying to get home. Got water flying all over my face. It's cool though. I know one thing, I ain't got no heat. And it's cold than a It's okay though. We're gonna have heat in this joint sometime real soon. Real soon. I think right around the time summer comes. About the best time to put some heat in this thing so we'll be ready for winter, you know? Because during the summer we don't need no AC. We get that 280 AC. And one of my best friends told me back in the day, you know, you get them old schools, they ain't got that R134A, they ain't got that R1234YF, none of that. They got that 280 AC. 2 windows down, 80 mile an hour. That's how you do it. Yes sir, we just got a little short venture home. Make it real short just in case. Quit. I don't need no police on me now. I don't be acting all crazy 24/7 now. I just want to let y'all know that right now. So I don't need none of y'all piggy moo-moos trying to come over my panels and my page and my channel. I'm over here sounding like Booster Boys or Kyle. You gotta cank the page if you get what I'm saying. You know, when your cage ain't painted, you gotta paint it, or you gotta cage it, or you gotta page it to cane it. You know what I mean? But anyway, sometimes you just can't get the words out. Boy, oh boy. She's running a whole lot better now, y'all. Y'all better stay tuned. This Trackhawk build is coming quick. This cold weather's gone, it's getting out the way, and all this warm weather's coming in fast. So I guess the groundhog didn't see a shadow, or did see a shadow, or however that works out. I don't remember the old school saying back in the day. My daughter come home from school the other day telling me about how she learned about the groundhog today. Just had my heart melting. I love that little girl to boys stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe. Because it's heat. It's dropping. I appreciate everybody for all the support that y'all's giving me. Appreciate all the comments. Y'all go check out this video right here. I got a Will It Start with me and my daughter. We was just picking around a little bit. I don't know. Trying to have some daddy-daughter time. But let me quit yapping. I need to get in here, get ready for bed, and get me some dinner. Because I'm hungry. Y'all stay tuned in. Appreciate y'all and much love. Oklahoma's most hated.